I'm Siva. Thank you for joining my yoga video today. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do turtle pose. You need to invest on 2 blocks like this. You can get it in stores called yoga blocks. It's going to help you enhance your yoga experience. Place 2 blocks right in front of you, probably 9 inches from the mat. You can at least have 1 block distance and place it 1 block away from the mat, right in front of you. Sit straight in a seated pose. Have some positivity that you have invested your time, at least 10 minutes today, in doing some relaxation technique for your mind and body. Let's focus on this moment right now. With a smile on your face, release all the tension from your head, from your face. Take a deep breath in, inhale, fill your lungs and exhale. When you exhale, blow it out with your mouth like inhale, exhale. Place your palms on your laps or on your knees. Now close your eyes gently with the back straight. Take a deep breath in, out. One more in, out. One more. Do you feel relaxed? Stay here right now. Take some normal breaths in and out. Do you feel any sensation in your forehead, in between your eyebrows? Now you can gently open your eyes. Now you have placed the blocks 9 inches away from the mat. You have placed 2 blocks right in front of you. Now you can place your feet on the blocks. Sit comfortably. Gently rock from side to side. Adjust your hip position. Hold your ankles. Rock from side to side. Give some relaxation to your shoulder muscles. Stretch your hands in the front. Lift up. Inhale. Slightly arch back if you can. Bend forward. Halfway bend. Inhale. One more time. Lift up. Now bend forward. Place your hands in between the blocks. You have to place the blocks in such a way that you have to have space to place your hands in between the blocks. Now gently crawl your hands under the blocks, under your legs. Wave your hands. This is the turtle pose. Crawl your hands further as much as you can. Now face down. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay here at least for 1 minute. for the yin yoga to activate certain meridians in your body like acupressure. Continue breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your back. Release all the tension from the back muscles. To help you focus, you can breathe in and breathe out with your mouth like blowing a candle. Breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale as much as oxygen as much as you can. When you start feeling any tension, just focus on your breathing. You will notice that the tension is vanishing. If you feel more tension in your calf muscles, you can relax. Gently lift your hands up and stretch your legs so that the heel is touching the edge of the mat. You can rock your legs in and out, and front and back. Try to rotate right side 2 times and left side 2 times. Try to touch your toes with your hands. Inhale, lift up. Try to bring your hands in the prayer pose. Try to do a side stretch on the right side, then side stretch on the left. Inhale, bend forward to your right side. Lift up. Inhale, exhale, bend forward to your left. Lift up, and you can slowly lower your arms. You can release the blocks and come back to the seated pose. I hope you enjoyed this routine session today. I hope you learned how to do this asana using the yoga blocks. If you haven't purchased the blocks yet, it's not too late. Shop now for the yoga blocks and get going. Happy yoga. Have a great day. Namaste. Bye from Siva.